In this play-along video, we're going to the man in black. That's right, the one and only Johnny Cash. And wait till you hear the backing track. It is killer in this one. This one is Folsom Prison Blues. Welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. One of my favorite songs of all time, Johnny Cash's Folsom Prison Blues. But before we get there, welcome to the channel. If you're new or haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe. Turn on that bell notification. And if you dig what we do here, this one is a play along, by the way. We're just going to play and sing and have a good time with this one. But if you dig what we're doing, make sure to show us a little love. Leave a comment and smash that like button. All right, we're taking it to the Johnny Cash land. I was going to train land, because train is a beat we're going to be using in this particular play along. Now, if you need help, you need a tutorial, we have a whole separate video for that. This one is just going to be the play along. By the way, I decided to bring out my Koaloha right here. This is my 6th string. I'm Makalani. And by the way, I do have some of these available at the store. store.ukelikethepros.com, the #1 store for all your ukulele needs. All right. We'll do a little play along. If you like the backing track and the sheet music, check out our Patreon page, patreon.com/ukelikethepros. And I'll tell you what, if you just want the sheet music, I'll leave a link to that below. You can go sign up totally for free. So are you ready to do this? Come on, here we go. Here's a little Folsom Prison Blues. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hear the train a-coming, rolling around the bend. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when, but I'm stuck in Folsom Prison and time keeps dragging on. But that train keeps a-rolling on down to San Antonio. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head and cry. Hey! Rich folk eating in the fancy dining car. They're probably drinking coffee and smoking big cigars. But I know I had it coming. I know I can be free. But those people keep a moving, and that's what tortures me. Hey! Well, if they'd free me from this prison, if that railroad train was mine, probably move it all a little farther down the line. Oh, far from Folsom Prison, that's where I want to stay. And I let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away. How did you do on that one? You can tell. I mean, you could tell that I love Johnny Cash. This is one of my favorite songs. I've been singing this one for years. But how did you do on it? Leave a comment below. 1 to 5. 1 meaning you need some work. 5 meaning you crushed it. You were playing a rhythm, you were jamming with the backtrack, you were singing, you're having a good time. So leave that in a comment below. So I do appreciate you being here and hopefully learn a new song. Don't forget store.ukelikethepros.com. And if you want to get better at the ukulele, check out my instructional site. That is ukelikethepros.com. We got courses, we got membership, we got some free stuff as well. All you got to do is go check it out and be part of the Uke Like the Pros Nation. So that's going to do it for this one. Make sure to check me out on Patreon. Check us out at Uke Like the Pros on Instagram. And that's going to do it. So take care of yourself. Hope you enjoyed that one. And we'll see you next time.